Hi, what's up, Dent coin holder? What's going on? Dent coin will get a profit 20.52%. You can see here the price will increase now, so that's really nice, my friend. You can see here to the price is increasing. Congratulations, everybody. And we will discuss about, my friend, the price pumps to in upcoming time. Can Dent coin will pumps up or dumps down? This is very important for a holder to understand now, so therefore I am going to explain now. But please, in this time, my friend, we will need first of all to predicate this coin. Now let's get started video, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, as you can see here, the line one, you can see here, my friend, I will draw in the line two. You can see here the first line touch the highest point and the second line touch the lowest point. So if we can see, my friend, the resistance line, so that you can see, my friend, and the resisting line has come out here now. So therefore, my friend, you can see here, if they will touch out the resistance line for a few times, you can see, my friend, so that's mean to they are in the profit, and absolutely they will increase now and they will hit the resistance line and moving upward. So that's mean to Dent coin will completely on the profit. But my friend, you can see sometimes they will also fails down like that, absolutely for a short time, and also like that. So therefore, please try to understand. This is short dump. This is not up, my friends, permanent jump. Absolutely, it's temporary fails, and I hope after this fail they will also get a profit. So that's been, my friends, with the last point, the moving in upward direction. So I hope, my friend, as you can see, my friend, if we check out last 1 day chart now, so this is very important. You can see here in last 1 day minus 1.53% they were fails down, and absolutely you can see here, but after these fails they will also pumping up, they will also pumping up. So therefore I hope to in upcoming term they will recover this all loss and they will starting positive. So please try to understand, holder, we will need now to hold. I hope, my friends, student coin will giving us very good profit, but if we are hold, but if we are starting selling, so they will more fails down. So therefore please be safe from loss and get a profit. I hope you will need to hold. Remember, this is not a financial video. Please, this is just an only I advise you research personally, and after that take a decision. Like video and subscribe channel.